Hi everyone, welcome to Trina Storage. I'm Hakeem, Product Manager for the Elementa. And today we're going to explore our full capabilities, building up from the batteries all the way up to the Elementa cabinet. Let's kick things off with our pre-sales services. We have our sales and sales engineering colleagues and consultants there to help you really understand what your needs are, what the application is, the project details, budget, and any other associated details required for a successful project. We offer a flexible and scalable battery storage solution designed for outdoor use with durations ranging from 2-3 hours and above. Now, during the sales process, we specialize in designing and optimizing the battery solutions that we provide. This includes everything from looking at the system architecture, which would go beyond just the Elementa and the associating components, but that also includes integrating all of the other components that make a complete AC system. Because of this, we are able to use our LFP battery cells, the containers, the integrated cabinets, and associated PCS or MV equipment. By continually enhancing our cell capacity, we're able to deliver an efficient, safe, and reliable system throughout the operation of a customer project. Before anything goes live, we conduct a full factory acceptance test. The FAT ensures that the system meets all performance criteria and standards that we've set as Trina. Once it's installed, the team takes care in ensuring that the batteries are installed correctly, the BMS, the TMS, the thermal management system, and all associated components are working correctly. This ensures we're able to give you a full scope of supply during and after project delivery. Finally, we've got your back with our after-sales service support. We continually provide ongoing support to keep everything running smoothly. This includes technical support, performance guarantees and warranties, or a full service maintenance wrap, which could include local service support or 24/7 online support. We also offer performance warranties, flexible warranties, and several maintenance options able to meet the customer needs. Our aim is to ensure a perfect fit for our product, for your project, and for the market, all tailored just for you.